I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? What's up, what's up? How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is just a video to tell y'all more about the software that I use, Xsplit. This is kind of like a part 2 to the one I made talking about Xsplit. And this one is going to be more about, the tools and all that, kind of like about the features that it has. So this one I'm going to show y'all. On the other video I had like a square. It was just a square. I'm going to go back to the default. So this is how it'll normally look, just a square. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to effects, and right here you also have filters. You can have filters. There's a blur. I prefer not to use them, but I mean, if you're kind of in that thing, then yeah. Oh, let me go back. Let me take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the masking. Now, if you go to shape, it has different shapes here. Shapes. And you can pick whatever you like. I like this one. And on the border, you can pick any border that you like. Also, you can change the colors. Oh, I like that one too. And I'm gonna go with yellow. Now the border, you can make it thicker too. Oop, too thick. You can make it thicker. You can make it thinner. Let me go back a little bit. That way you can see my hair. There you go. Okay, so now that's just one of the features. Now to create the video like I'm doing, you can just go here and record, and then records it. And then whenever you're done, you go to file, and you go to my recordings, and then it takes you to the recordings, and then you can view it. If you want to stream, you go here, and then you can set up your Facebook, your YouTube, or Twitch. Now you can also have extensions here, for example. I'm gonna go, let me see. Well, I'm not sure why it's not, oh, there you go. Huh. Probably because my computer shut off right now without turning off. It has the plugins. You go there and it's gonna have plugins. For example, the ones I have here is Facebook widgets. You can do the live comments, live reactions counter, post reactions. And then general widgets, you have the Skype, video playlist, the whiteboard, and I'm not sure if I think I did explain the text. The text, you can add whatever you want. Like if I want to put subscribe, let's say I want to put subscribe on the window. And you can also do yeah, there it goes, the font. It's right here. So you could change the font, the outline. You can also add an outline. See, that's pretty cool. Let me see about the size. Oh, I think the size you probably just uh, that's pretty big, ain't it? Let's go and see. Oh, I'll have to go back here. Let's see if it lets me mess with the size. Where is the size? Is it this one? No. Oh, here it goes. Sizing is automatic. Uh, oh, there you go. It's fixed. So you go to fixed. There you go, and that's how you make it. That's how you make it bigger or smaller. This is actually the first time I'm doing this. The text part, I'm still learning as I go. So let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick a yellow color, the outline. Yeah, I'll do blue. Since my border is, since the border on my frame, the border on my frame is yellow. Now this one, all you gotta do is click on it and it's gonna highlight, then you go to remove if you want to move it. Now this, I want to move it here, or if, let me see, it might let me, yeah, it lets me make it smaller. There you go. Let me see if I can do, let me change this. Well, that's fine. I could just put it here. That way I don't have to go back, change the color. But yeah, you could do it either way. If you want to put it here, you could put it here. If you wanna make it disappear anytime on the video, then you see where it says, well, right here where it's highlighted, all you gotta do is click the eye and it disappears. Make it come back. So another thing I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the different scenes. Now you can switch different scenes. You can have multiple cameras. Also, right now I only have my Sony ZV-1. I do have the camera from the laptop, but it's not really good. So I do have a video where I use both, and you can see it. It's on a previous video where I did the test on the wireless microphones, the Syncos. So what I did already set up the scenes how I have it with effects. So what I'll do, I'll just go here and it's pretty cool. Every time you select a new scene, this right here, every time you select a new scene, this right here is gonna clear out, and then you just basically go to add source and then add it again. So I have three scenes right now that I already did them how I wanted. Now on this one I did it like that. That way you can still see. I did the window. Now for every scene you can pick wherever you just want. Maybe I want the background to show like this, but I also want the window like the browser. That way you can see, you can the reason I did it like that, that way you could see on the video uh, in full detail. So now I'm gonna switch to a different scene. Oh, that's not it. This one was it. So now this is a different scene. This one, all you're gonna see is the background where it says right there. You see where the little kid at? Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Now this is a great tool that's gonna help all the new, if you're a new YouTube creator or if you want to do live streaming, like you play video games and all that. This is excellent. So now on this scene, as you see, I did the background and I have the camera with the shape and the color that I want. Now let's say I want to add where I could show you something else. For example, if I go to screen capture, right here it's going to tell me smart selection, where you can just click on the area of the window that you want to show, or you can go to monitor, be the desktop, or you can go to window capture. Now let's say I want to open my Facebook, my internet. Let me connect really quick. Okay, we're connected now. So I'm gonna open my Facebook. I'm gonna show y'all my page. Go ahead and find us on Facebook. And let me open it completely. My internet is being slow right now. Alright, this is my page right here. Let me open the, okay. Yeah, this is the page. I also have it on the channel. If you view the channel on top, on the channel art, all the way to the right, you could click on the Facebook or the Twitter, and it's gonna take you straight to our page. Just go there and then press like. Now that I open the browser, if I want the background to show like this, but I still want to show the browser, then that's when I go here. Since I already opened it, now you see that I go to window capture, it says Maryland and Harold blocks. Now it's gonna show that. Now it's gonna give me a screen. It's gonna give me a screen there. And then now it's gonna, as you see here, the browser is showing, and right here it's gonna say Maryland and Harold blocks. Now if I open a new tab, then I can go back and I can pick something else. For example, we can go to Webull. I have the Webull link also on the bio. Check that out. You deposit some money, you get some free stocks. I also have Coinbase. You do that, you earn $5 in crypto. And they have videos that you can watch to earn free crypto. So let's go here. Well, I'm not gonna fix it up. I'm just gonna leave it like that to show y'all. But I'm gonna go back here. And then I'm gonna add another source. window capture. Oh, that's why I know why it's not. I have to change the tab. If I change the tab, it's gonna show screen capture, window capture, and you see it says Weeble. So now the Weeble is gonna show there, and you could drag it anywhere that you like. You can make it smaller. For example, I could have it here in the middle. If I show it like this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to show something where you can see me, you can see that, and then you could also see the background. So this is what I use, and it's really simple to use. It's nothing hard like these other softwares out there. I truly recommend it. Check it out. Give us a like, subscribe, and click the link, and it's gonna take you straight to the website where you can sign up and try it out. So check it out.